You know, man, shit, man, I don't think a nigga gonna be bad no more, daddy, man, shit. I think you done got all the bad out of a nigga, you know what I'm saying? You cast demons out the right way, nigga. Come with the rap show, nigga. The rap show. The rap show, you know what I'm saying? It's a rap show, you know what I'm saying? We show out, you know what I'm saying? We got clout, we got game, we are the game. You with the Riddler, the Joker. We make them laugh, make them cry, make them sing. Shit, you know what I'm saying? That's who I am, nigga. That's who I am, nigga. This is who God is, nigga. This pig, nigga. Shit, the real one, you know what I'm saying? The one that don't change, nigga. The one sitting in the same seat he was sitting in the last motherfucking time he did this shit the first time. You know what I'm saying? Cat Williams laughed his ass off. You know what I'm saying? When I came to his concert, he had a throne in the motherfucker. I say, that's for me, man. That's for me. That's for me. Shit, I should have been laying up on that motherfucking cat. You know what I'm saying? I'll be right back. You know what I'm saying? Laughing like a motherfucker. That's my motherfucking ass, though. You know what I'm saying? When you laugh at a motherfucker, man. Oh, goddamn, man. Here you go. Goddamn. Case coming here. Getting dog food. You know what I'm saying? Can't make me rich. You know that. You know what I'm saying? Too much money, man. You got a crazy ass daddy, okay? He a bad ass nigga, though. Shit. Better not trade him in. You know what I'm saying? Ain't no car gonna run like this. This a Cadillac versus a you cargo, you know what I'm saying? You go, I go, and we all go, or you go, you know what I'm saying? You don't want no you go, okay? They too small, you know what I'm saying? We all can't go in no you go, you know what I'm saying? But man, that big fold, man, that big Alpha and Omega, 650, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna be rolling that big song gun, man. Everybody gonna love us, man. Like the president rolling down the goddamn road, the king of kings, the lord of lords, and the god of all gods. And we all gods, man. Don't let nobody tell you we ain't. You know what I'm saying? Do your right thing. Be your right man. You know what I'm saying? That's the majestic one. You know what I'm saying? The one with all the manners. You know what I'm saying? That your mom and daddy taught you when you honor them. You know what I'm saying? Always honor your mom and daddy. You live long. You know what I'm saying? Shit, if you don't honor your mom and daddy, shit, you don't. And Adam and Eve were your mom and daddy. I tell you, you wouldn't. Shit, you had died before goddamn 2023 was over. Shit, now 2024, you get a new beginning. You know what I'm saying? Shit, come on now. Get your life right. You know what I'm saying? Holla at your boy. You know what I'm saying? Shit. This boy here, you know what I'm saying? Let me see what's coming on. Let me see what they got music coming on. Oh, man, let me see, man. Because, you know, everybody don't know about us, man. Where we come from, where we going, where we been, and shit like that. Y'all, man, they don't. You know what I'm saying? It's our job to tell them, you know what I'm saying? I'm talking to all y'all out there. Everybody got a plan and purpose in this life. How you doing out there, Wanda Stevens? Wanda Stevens stay in Jacksonville, Florida. If she ain't moved, you know what I'm saying? She might have been gone away from that long, long time ago. But that was an old girlfriend of mine back in the Gap, you know what I'm saying? When I was a little kid, you know what I'm saying? Going to the 8th grade, you know what I'm saying? Came home, Dirk told me, man, I flunked. I was like, damn, man, shit, you in the 7th grade again? He like, yeah. You know what I'm saying? We did that year, you know what I'm saying? I think that's the year Poem got both legs broke under the stage, you know what I'm saying? Somebody was pushing him with the janitor's cart. And you know how it's got that bar across it. You know what I'm saying? That pipe. The dude was pushing, Milton Green was pushing, and Milton Green pushed him under the stage, and Poem didn't pick up his leg, and then it hit both them legs, broke both his legs, and he was in a wheelchair, you know what I'm saying? You know how they always say, don't play with nobody's wheelchair or crutches. I did, then I broke my leg. You know what I'm saying? But Pone played with my crutches. Then he broke his leg, cause I broke mine first. That's how that went. He broke both legs playing with my crutches. Just playing with my crutches, broke both his legs. You know what I'm saying? I don't know how they go, you know what I'm saying? Just don't play with shit behind Pet, cause Ricky one time, this Pone, him and Ron Price decided they were gonna steal Peg dirt bike. Man, I was in the house, all I heard was, what? And then I said, I know them niggas ain't steal my dirt bike. When I heard that, all I heard was, what? And then it cut off. I went outside, them niggas, Ricky didn't know what the fuck he was doing. Had Ron on the back, and he done jumped the ditch at Jimmy's. Then jumped the ditch and ran into the house, Jimmy's Auntie house. And got the kickstand in his goddamn cab. Now, anybody else would have been mad as hell. And Peck was too. He ain't give a damn about mercy and grace at that time. He like, man, what y'all niggas get on my motorcycle for? See, that's what's good. That's good for your ass, Ricky. See, that was Peck was like that when he was a little kid. You know what I'm saying? Some things. Now, Peck wasn't always. Just do it now. I'm still a lifeguard, Ricky. Don't be lying on Peck. All that. Cause Peck was the most merciful one of all y'all. This Troy Jones sure was. Now, Pone, he'll fight your ass. Peck was gonna get out of it. He just gonna let your ass make it. Peck wasn't scared of nobody, cause Peck did have fights. He had to get it. He gonna get it. He might use a weapon. That was Peck though. You just had to know you dealing with a fool. You know what I'm saying? But then,
Before Shopify, were you wondering
cool,
where are my
baby.
sales at? But now you're selling with Shopify. You're easily selling online, in person, and beyond. Discover how millions of entrepreneurs use Shopify to ignite their selling. Sign up for a $1 per month trial period at shopify.com/YouTube audio.
Just shut my ass up. Just shut me up. Damn. But yeah, man. I was cool, you know what I'm saying? I ain't like to mess over nobody. I ain't like to get messed over, but then, I knew how to handle it, you know what I'm saying? I didn't do revenge like normal people do revenge, you know what I'm saying? I made motherfuckers feel they my revenge, you know what I'm saying? I hit them in their heart with my revenge. I almost seen a motherfucker walking up on me in the street, in the back of my eye, you know what I'm saying? They walking. I saw that. Man, you got so many spirits around you, in you, Jack. All this, man, ever since 2009, when the Adam became Adam, you know what I'm saying? And God became you. Can't nobody in the world say they don't know God now, because they didn't watch your movie. White men trying to play God movies and stuff like that, but yours was the real, legit God movie. It ain't no hiccups in the motherfucker. Shit, you went all the goddamn. They had to hide your goddamn recorder at the goddamn at the retreat. They hid your recorder and stuffed it in your suitcase. It didn't just fall in there. I don't know. It might have. But however it got in there, we hid it from your ass, cause we had to listen to God all the time, and that was just you listening to you every motherfucking night. Every motherfucking night you speak it, then you listen to yourself. You speak. See, the only thing you don't do now, Adam, you don't listen to yourself no more. You used to listen to yourself over and over and over again. You know what I'm saying? You used to pull them same things out and listen to them on the way to work. You meditated on the word of God day and night. You did what you said in them songs, 2008. Every one of them songs became true in some somebody's life some kind of way. That's why the preacher's jealous, man. They need your energy. They need what you got, man. You got the sauce, this merch, this dub. You got this shit I got, nigga. We got that shit from God. And Peck, man, you remember we was pledging Q-Dog. That's what this shit is, man. It's like you was pledging to be God. We was all pledging to be God. And we was all judged and tried and refined and purified and sanctified, nigga. Shit. This shit hurt, nigga. This shit ain't no goddamn punk, nigga. A lot of crying and shit. Man, shit, man. Motherfucker love, man, go a long goddamn way if you really love motherfuckers, man. Shit, that shit hurt, man. Shit, don't put me through this shit no more. Oh, you don't have to go through it no more, Adam. Shit, you don't drop it 2 times. Just a second death, you through. Shit, we out now. Shit, we done hid them 1,000 years. Shit. We came out, goddamn. The proof is in the pudding, goddamn. It's done. Shit, I think that last recording was Worthiness of 1971. Shit, if your Worthiness 1971, and this next one supposed to be 1972. You know that was the birthday. Shit, in the family. Shit, man. Shit, don't forget us. You know what I'm saying? We real. You know what I'm saying? We shit.
So the secret to becoming a millionaire is right under everyone's nose. Now, when you figure it out, you'll kick.
Yeah, you gonna know who he is. That's that motherfucking God, man. The goddamn God, man. Yeah. Baby City, man. Baby City. Boy, that Baby City, man. Big motherfucker, man. Y'all don't know about Baby City. Baby City got all kinds of shit up in it, you know what I'm saying? That's why Bay City, man, we don't go to Bay City no more, man. You know, Rap just moved back, but then, man, shit, it ain't had a 24-hour shit for me, you know what I'm saying? It was a 24-hour shit for me, you know, I was used to 24-hour Walmart, isn't that then? I get up here, ain't no 24 hours no more, you know, cause of the COVID and all that, you know what I'm saying? So, you know what I'm saying? I had to deal with the stores closing at 11, you know what I'm saying? And, you know, shit like that, you know what I'm saying? But it's cool, you know what I'm saying? I'm still in the city, you know what I'm saying? I can get a hotel, I can get this, I can get that. But then, you know, I'm getting ready to get me a house, you know what I'm saying? Get me a truck, you know what I'm saying? Badass truck too, this motherfucker, man. Shit, let me show you this motherfucker, man. You ain't seen this motherfucker yet. You know what I'm saying? That's that motherfucker right there, man. You see that motherfucker right there? That's the baddest motherfucker, man. That's only for chief priests only, you know what I'm saying? Like Busta Rhymes or KRS-One, you know what I'm saying? You know, Master P, you know what I'm saying? You know, Jay Prince, you know what I'm saying? You know, Pick, you know what I'm saying? Your boy, Finesse, you know what I'm saying? Shit, man. You know, only shit like that, man. Only niggas like that gonna drive this shit here. You know what I'm saying? Cause we come through. And the sounds in this motherfucker, man, shit, I'm gonna get me a box built where them speakers hidden, but right behind the seat, throwing down. Or right up under me, you know what I'm saying? Up under the seat. Throwing down, and I think I'm gonna have a wolf up under my ass in the front. Nah, I can't do that. I gotta have my shit working where I gotta move it up and down and shit. But then, you know, man, I'm gonna have that shit. Oh man, I already know. I already feel it. It's gonna be live. I'm gonna have my shit pass and my shit. So when I throw this on in the truck, I'm throwing it down like it come on. You know, I ain't gonna be having my window down, throwing my music all out there on y'all. No. But when I'm at home, you know, doing something, you know what I'm saying? I might do that, you know what I'm saying? So the neighborhood I get in, my house ain't gonna be that close to the neighbor's house. You know what I'm saying? Cause I'm gonna be out of mind partying, you know what I'm saying? I'm throwing down every night at my house. You know what I'm saying? Shit, I got company, you know what I'm saying, or something. You You know, I'm not married, so you know what I'm saying. I give me homeboys, friends, you know, come through with the music and shit. You know what I'm saying? That's what I'm about. You know what I'm saying? I ain't about no bullshit, no cussing, fussing, murmuring, complaining, shit. Talking about judging, accusing, shit. That ain't with that shit. Leave that shit outside. Guns at my house, nah, dog. You got people like that. Keep them away from us, man. Keep them away from us. Keep them away from heaven. Period. You know what I'm saying? So, you know what I'm saying? Keep us all away from evil. You know what I'm saying? But let us all drive something like that, though. You know what I'm saying? That's what I'm talking about, God, right there. You know what I'm saying? Do that for me. For me. For me. That's my prayer right there. Right there, God. Ashton, I need that truck, man. I need you to the bank to buy that truck for God. You know what I'm saying? Right there. Right there. Right